Okay, everyone, I am really tired of kids messing with fire alarms in schools. I am really tired of that behavior. That behavior must stop once and for all because that behavior is very deadly and is very illegal. Those kids that mess with fire alarms in schools should be held accountable if somebody dies in a real fire somewhere else. Because the fire department could not be there because a kid decided it was okay to pull the fire alarm for fun at school. They should definitely be held accountable for doing that. Those kids that do that should be suspended, should be expelled, should be grounded by their parents, and at 18 years old and older, when they are adults, they should be fined and arrested by the police. I am really sick and tired of kids being against me when it comes to fire alarm tampering. Everybody has to listen to me when I say never tamper with fire alarms. I mean it. When I say never tamper with fire alarms, I absolutely mean it. You never ever tamper with fire alarms for any reason because these are not toys. These are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives. These were not made so you can play with them. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, then you can play with them, but in a public building, you do not play with them for any reason. Fire alarms are not a joke, they are very serious. So, never ever mess around with fire alarms. Or else you will get into very serious trouble for doing that. So do not ever do that. It is not okay at all. Goodbye.